Gamaniacs. Ano ko подходи спилдасан чиглуатти.
Zenless Zone 0.
Pero alisin ako na kumasan nagsasaktin na kaya. Finally!
We interrupt your regular programming for this breaking news. A companion hollow has suddenly appeared on 14th Street and has already breached Level 3 containment. The Hollow Investigative Association has dispatched a team to the scene to carry out emergency protocols. Evacuation of residents in nearby blocks is underway. Please stay away from the 14th Street area.
Wise, come check this out.
What's that? 14th Street? I think the news mentioned it earlier. Give me a sec.
Yeah, in the Janus quarter. They say it's already breached the level 3 controls.
Yeah. Public security were conducting a manhunt over there today. Evacuations may not be going as expected.
So you're saying?
We should get ready. We'll be seeing some business coming our way soon.
Man.
Cool. Now we play the waiting game.
Companion hollow has suddenly appeared on 14th Street.
Tokang sakat maklo ngami ang utita tokan niswa. Oh him.
Over there! Go! 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 Go!
Nice animation.
Yes. Citizens, I'm the head of the Janus Quarters Public Security, currently conducting an operation on 14th Street.
I'm pissed! And this station's reporter, I can't listen to this anymore! Those criminals need to get...
Beep.
There's a window! Boss, we can get out this way! Easy! Leave it to me!
It bounced off. This glass must be tough.
Reinforced bulletproof glass. You won't be able to break it.
Di pinakakpo, no ako tawis sokpuan.
Why?
You stole the strongbox from the Institute. We're just returning it to its rightful owner.
We're all trying to get by on the same streets. Why? Why would you be helping the cops? Why don't you just give it back to me? It's so important to us.
So you need the whole gang armed and ready to handle 3 people? This is the Silver Tears? It's even weirder than the rumors. Awesome! Time to wake up, Billy!
Eyes open, everyone! Say cheese!
Kill you all!
You've made a mistake, mister. We aren't your enemy. That is.
Boss, it's the Air Force! Damn you, cunning hares! What? You found the red thing? Pick the biggest gun and rain down justice!
Falcon 4, attack order received.
I want to file a complaint!
Hello friends, 1, 2, 3. Sorry. I need to settings.
Confirmed. We've fallen into a hollow. Let's get going. An ethereal. That was quick. Thunder!
Basta animation ni Takso Tokoro. That's awesome. Be gone! Hey! Oh!
Tracks, platforms, carriages. This is the old metro junction. If that's the case, then this must be the Cretan Hollow. Good. Headset still works, and the recording function is normal. This is Anby Damara, a member of the odd job agency, the Cunning Hares. I accidentally fell into a companion hollow. I don't have a carrot or proxy support. Probability of getting lost in the hollow is at 96.4%. I will be making a voice log of my experience. Let it serve as evidence for future investigation in the case I am killed or turned into a monster by the ether. Anby's Hollow Survival Log number 1. From my surroundings, I can confirm this is the old Metro Junction area of the Cretan Hollow.
Hello.
The Metro Hollow's terrain is inherently complex. My chances of being rescued will be reduced by 37.8% if I don't consider my next step carefully. If anyone doubts the nature of the Hollow's spatial distortions, please use my recording as proof of their danger. Please don't enter a hollow unless you are a professional investigator. Otherwise...
There you are, Anby! Great! I knew you'd be okay! Whoa, whoa! Hey! What's gotten into you? You almost got me!
I've met another being of reason. He looks a lot like my colleague, Billy Kid.
What are you talking about? It's me! Billy!
Una usikkuwa no naka damaksyon. Ano bisu jinginakpa na mission ita Tokoro.
An investigator has previously encountered ethereals who can mimic human speech and behavior. The investigator rescued the ethereal pretending to be their teammate, but once they got out of the hollow, it revealed itself. The city made a huge sacrifice, but it was unable to defeat the monster. It was only thanks to a courageous investigator who gave his life to drive the monster back into the hollow that the danger was averted.
Come on, the ethereal would be done for the minute it left the hollow. Wait, isn't that the plot of that movie that was in theaters not long ago?
There was a long list of victims involved in the incident. I read all their names.
That's called a cast list!
Question: who would you most like to have dinner with?
Huh? Dinner? Of course. That'd be the big screen superheroes! The Starlight Knights! Wait! Put your blade down! I'll tell you! It's really the late night drama actress from... Oh, sweetie. Monica.
Monica.
All clear. The individual has been confirmed as the real Billy Kid.
Meeting sa kandak, meeting sa i름.
Meeting Billy Kid increases my chances of survival by over 67.8%. I'm glad you're okay, Billy.
I told you I'm me! It's been a while since we fell. Nicole must be trying to come up with a way to get us out from the outside. But will she be willing to pay for the help? You know how Nicole is.
Based on Nicole's tight-fisted spending habits, I'd say your original analysis is likely correct.
Damn. Now you've got me worried. Let's not get carried away. We have to work together to get through this. As usual, you take the front, and I'll provide fire support from behind.
Right.
That's right.
Which one?
Okay, fire bro. Easy peasy. Easy peasy.
Andy, go do some repairs.
My heart rests a little easier whenever you're around, Andy.
Same for you.
Stay focused.
Ada mission ko.
In my sight.
Copy that. Eliminating target.
Kasi nga animation ni Taksoy nasa patak ka. Oh, may matingan ni. KO.
Yeah! A hit! Whoa! Barely missed me. Sorry, it's nothing personal. We're regular people. You're monsters. We're destined to be enemies.
Yep. Abagay.
Oh! Forgot to reload! Okay, buddy, wait a sec! Time out! Oh!
Stay focused. The strongbox is right at his feet.
Slow down, Ambi. What are you gonna do? Just wait. Yep, looks like ether corruption. This mutation is so intense. I don't think this guy has any ether aptitude at all.
His consciousness is still holding on.
It's the core.
Begin.
Andy, I'll cover you!
It's got a sword for a hand. Watch out.
Its flashes also have a wide range! Bang! Try this! The only ultimate starlight! Starlight, shine bright!
mo kasi tigisok na okay na.
Be gone! Warning.
He's recovered? Is this ether activity still increasing?
Keep up the attack.
Nah, we don't have the firepower to fight for long. Let's bounce.
Yung anak sa utok. At damage ako ng garanga ron. Tama tilimang isun. Alam ko. Continue. Yay. Oh, video story.
We're returning now to 14th Street, where an explosion occurred on one of the upper floors of a residential building, shortly after the appearance of a companion hollow. According to our sources, the explosion was set off by public security. The leader of the Red Fang Gang is thought to have fallen into the hollow and is yet to be brought to justice. The head of public security has refused to comment. The bomb squad is on the way. Please, stay away from 14th Street. We'll continue to follow this breaking story.
This is an emergency! Billy, Anby, and the target of my commission have fallen into that hollow.
Hello, Nicole. It'd be nice of you to knock next time.
You can make fun of me all you want after you help me deal with this crisis.
What trouble did you get yourself into this time?
Wow! Rangon na. No. What the fuck is this? Come on. I'm back! Best friend. No? Tuwang na yung nagkuha nga.
I just checked. Doesn't look like there's anyone suspicious outside.
Don't worry, I wasn't followed. It took a lot to get out of 14th Street unnoticed, but I made sure nobody was tailing me.
I hope so.
I know things been tight lately with the general election just around the corner. They're really cracking down on proxies. They set up a hotline and...
Okay, like about the boss.
So what's the hurry, Nicole? Which creditor is chasing after you this time?
That's not it! I was set up by public security and that angry reporter from Redo TV.
So Billy and Anby fell into a hollow.
I have to get them out. And I need to get back what I've been commissioned to deliver. It's an emergency and you're the only ones who can help.
Why don't you make a rescue application with the Hollow Investigative Association?
I don't want to make us a target for the association right now. If they found we'd been involved in hollow raiding, we'd be in big trouble.
Hello, friend.
And it'd take a small fortune to pay those greedy vultures off. But I can't just abandon my squad, right?
Leaving employees behind. That does sound a lot like Nicole's style.
Hey, don't be mean. I allocate a large portion of our revenue to the employee rescue budget. Look, all in all, my request is simple. All you need to worry about is getting my people and my clients' stuff out of the hollow safely. You don't accept basic proxy work now? Faithin? Finish this job, and I'll clear my entire bill in one go.
Okay, just this once.
Still no good? Then I'll add... Huh? You'll do it?
Come on. You should have held out for that bonus, bro.
Great! There's no time to waste. I'll be waiting for you in the hollow.
Oka siya kacamasan di sikul.
Did I hear something?
No. I don't hear anything.
Don't push yourself, Nicole. Rest a while. We'll need your help to take Eos somewhere close to the hollow later.
Oh! Deploying your Bang Boo double, huh? Okay.
Bro, how about you tend to Nicole's wound first? I'll go debug the HDD and help you with the prep work to infiltrate the hollow. Well then, let's get down to business.
Ooh.
Hey, excuse me. Is there something I can do for you? Anything at all?
Slam. Ooh. Cool, slam bitak. I'm past the remote. Anong membersin na suomisi taktaka ja kappaka? Constant... Sukutawas siya.
Hello? Can you hear me, Nicole?
You can put Eos through now.
Okay. Right, little one. Off you go then. Done. Bang Boo's on the way.
So, can we start it up?
Another fight? After right my ammo's depleting, I can say goodbye to my efficiency bonus.
Incoming, get ready.
Wait, that wasn't me!
Hey all, over here. Nice work all.
It's a scarf-wearing talking Bang Boo.
Oh! You're Phaethon!
I can't hear that superior ethereal anymore.
Great! I feel like my leg's pistons are gonna break.
I propose now is a good time to take a break. Is that acceptable, Proxy?
Eos needs to run some debugging, so I'm gonna lay down.
You and Billy can rest. I'll take the first watch.
Whew! That was dangerous. It's crazy what a powerful monster that Red Fang dude mutated into. It's all thanks to you, Manager! You got us out of there in the nick of time! As expected from Phaethon, reliable as always!
You flatter me. I'm just doing what any proxy does.
I figured to save money, Nicole would have left us to fend for ourselves. Hiring the Great Phaethon to get us out is quite a surprise. If you hadn't come, I'm afraid we wouldn't have made it out of that ethereal's territory. Thanks for coming to the rescue.
Speaking of which, I've always wanted to ask you about that device in your store. You know, the one that lets you sync with Bang-Boo and communicate in real time within Hollow. That's some serious tech. Even Public Security and the Hollow Investigative Association can't do it. With a trump card like that, why didn't you just join the association? Whatever way you look at it, working with us Hollow Raiders has to be more dangerous than the profit is worth.
That sounds like an ethereal.
Ugh, so soon? I only just sat down.
We have to get out of here. Unless, Billy, you'd like to stay here forever? That new Starlight Night belt you wanted. I guess I'll place it at your grave next year.
When you say things like that with that poker face of yours, I can't tell if you're joking or not.
Working with you two is like watching a never-ending sitcom.
Is that why you keep letting Nicole hire you on credit?
I don't know if I should be happy about that or not. But now's not the time. We should get out of here before those ethereals catch up.
I've located the closest exit. Take the path on the right, Wise.
Please, manager, lead the way.
Ooh.
Let me scan the upcoming area. Fortunately, there are no ethereals on our tail. Let's keep pushing to the exit. Hollow observation data. The more the better.
那如果是有金鹅王吧，有金鹅王下去吗？哎，你 join。
That's right.
Please, manager, lead the way. New enemies incoming. Don't let your guard down. Quit moving!
I got your six.
Mas sisirin na ba yun?
Huh? What's that shaking?
Ethereals. They're catching up, Proxy.
What should we do? Fight?
It's cool. Just come with me. This track-laying machine. We can use this. It'll be faster if we keep to the track.
Scanning for safety valve data. The system log shows that the valve is unlocked by inserting the preset amount of gear coins.
A wise choice.
Okay. Ah, why not? Continue.
I've got goosebumps. It's so powerful!
Can you even get goosebumps, Billy?
It's a metaphor, alright? Let's just focus on the enemy. Don't worry, everyone will get their share!
Intermaneuver.
Baza.
Feel the ultimate
Lucigan!
Try this! Manager, which way should we go?
Full speed 10.
We keep moving forward.
Keep moving forward. Roger that. Wait! Forward? But that's a wall in front of us! Smash it? You want to smash through it? I don't have that kind of firepower right now!
Don't worry, just do what my brother says.
That voice... No! It's the other Phaethon!
You're finally online.
Sorry, I was checking to make sure the hollow exit was stable. Billy, Anby, can you hear me? My brother was right about the escape route. You know space inside the hollows is totally distorted. That means...
A way out may look like a dead end, but a dead end may also just be a dead end.
Thanks for the explanation, Anby.
Our escape route after getting out has been arranged. You can trust us. Hey, bro, you can cut the connection now.
See you at the store. Good luck, you two.
It's gone quiet. It became a regular bang boo.
Why would they desync at a time like this?
Going straight forward. Brace for impact.
We're gonna crash! We're gonna crash! We're gonna crash!
The oppressive weight of ether is gone.
We're out! We're finally out!
Phaethon got the time and location spot on. Hey, you two! Get in the car!
Boss!
조금 레빈스트.
You're here! Perfect timing!
That was fast, Nicole. Did you run a red light again?
No, we just passed a normal green light, R255 in the RGB scale. Oh, right. I made sure I wasn't followed the whole way.
Anby, what does an R255 green light look like?
It's the same color as your jacket.
Nicole, they've both been extracted. I guess it's time to pay up.
Not so fast. That's not what we agreed on. The commission was my people and the client's item. You've only completed the first half.
Oh? We still have to bring something back? Do you remember that, Bill?
Hey, talking like that isn't good for your reputation, you know. The commission isn't over until we get that strongbox back.
According to what we saw before extraction, the strongbox should be in the territory of a highly dangerous ethereal. The White Star Institute has it registered as Dullahan, a superior ethereal.
That's the one. That Red Fang dude was unlucky. His ether corruption must have been pretty intense, considering he's become such a dangerous ethereal. Anby and I tried to grab the strongbox, but that guy was so tough! We didn't get the chance before we got extracted. We did find this along the way, though. What exactly is in that box? Is it worth all this effort?
We'll find out soon enough. Take a look at this.
Oh, spear. For me?
So it looks like a necklace, but it's actually a flash drive?
That's right! It's a mini storage device. It's Silver's. I picked it up in the building before I got out of 14th Street. I noticed it before. He always had it on his person, so it must contain something important.
I bet it has something to do with the strongbox.
But it suffered some damage.
Yeah, look at all those burn marks.
Faithin, can you do some of your magic using that complicated computer of yours?
The HDD is mainly used to process holo data. But if we only need to export what's in the flash drive... Hey bro, maybe I could try to recover the data with the proxy network's computing power.
Great! It's a deal then. We'll try to locate the strongbox in the holo. We'll come find you when we learn something new. Let's just go our separate ways until then. Oh, don't forget to extract the data from the flash drive, though.
See ya, manager.
Goodbye.
Anong ginaksiwa ka? Tuwa ko nang kick ka. Ang pinaka-cool. I'm back! Music name. complete job. Naukaruosaviattan vaan nuonnuttu. Kirioktok takkan ito di school. So, who are you? Racing!
Hello and welcome. Ah, Wise, you're here. Perfect timing. My boss says I'll need your help with something.
What is it?
He wanted the message to be delivered verbatim, so here it is.
I found a new way to source awesome new gadgets. I'm sure you'll like them. If you're willing to help, they should be available in the store soon.
You sound just like your boss.
Wait, I'm not finished yet.
This new path is blocked and I've lost communication with the assistant I sent there. Could you help me sort it all out? I'll send more details soon.
Ano kaksindaw, Taso mo karon na ka, sokto. Sudah kacini kingasahan niya, ti maronik, ilaksin niya, maronik, kanupisi masok. Usok susi niya, tingut, tama to karos nasakpon.
That's it. Everything my boss said.
I see. There's something wrong with the gadget store's underground W engine business. A batch of goods must have fallen into a hollow, and they need me to clean this mess up.
I'm not sure exactly what happened, but it sounds like there was a problem with the gadgets they call W engines. Aren't they the ones you and your friends are collecting? Since it's such an urgent request, Boss said that apart from the regular payment, I can also give you a sample as a thank you gift. Hope you like it.
Wait, this texture. This batch of goods must be...
The latest W engine equipped with the 4th generation synchronous conduction device. It can release ultrasonic waves that effectively resonate with the active wavelengths of various ether weapons. According to official data, the average initial weapon performance can be improved by up to 44.21%, and the combat survival rate of personnel equipped with such gear can be increased by at least 30%.
Anby? What are you doing here? Keep it down. Susie may be working here, but she has no idea W engines are weapons. Better not say stuff like that in front of her.
Huh? Ultrasonic waves? Weapon performance?
So, what?
It's nothing. We're just talking about a game. You probably didn't know that, Susie, but you can use W engines to play board games, where each W engine has different stats assigned.
Oh, is it similar to playing pool? W engines are round after all. Guys, hang on a sec. The boss just texted me, and he has a message he wants me to share with you.
Looks like I found a connoisseur. Good gadgets truly shine in the hands of someone like you. If you purchase one when the shipment arrives, I'll give you an exclusive customization.
Whoa, who would have thought the boss would get involved himself?
Thanks, but there's no need. I do want to buy a new W engine, but even with the account balances of the three of us cutting hairs combined, we wouldn't be able to afford the latest model.
I just so happen to have one on hand. It's a thank you gift from the boss. Since it won't be of any use to me, you can have it.
Really? This will make dealing with that superior player a lot easier.
Oh, it sounds like you're planning to meet other W engine players? Don't worry, with the boss's skillful customization, you'll be sure to leave a lasting impression. Just hold on a sec. Sorry to keep you waiting. The gifted sample has been modified.
Yeah, I like this design.
I'm happy you like it. I hope it serves you well.
Thank you. And the boss, too. I'll treasure it. Ready for combat.
Aqlauna pisiniarpeqassanaruaq pinngittuuruan. Salluqattaatinngalas. Nangulakkataakku tangalakkarterilariaqlunga imassinnaasi. I love it!
Yeah? Grab a couple more. We'll be fine.
Don't push too hard. Go, 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 go!
Want some help from my babies?
Okay.
I'm here!
I'm here.
Up front!
Move it! You rang? Fine.
Time to step up the attack!
Every effort counts! Okay.
Bring it on!
Anton, tag me in.
Fine.
I'm here!
It's a three-pronged approach.
Behave now.
Iswing. Naruha suruqa naqsuuk isianniluutip. Samtale today. Kisumistove motitaan massingunarpunaniartalerpua sitqoini sinaartauppi sinnaarlarsimassit tamassapaa tulligam takus. Bye bye.